Okay, on behalf of Caterpillar, I'd like to thank Bарловорld for the opportunity for the last 5 days to come to Mongolia. The first 3 days was on site at the Bарловорld workshop, our facilities in town. We were going through the technology of MineStar suite of technologies. We then travelled to a customer site to make observations and look at the assessment for implementing command for hauling at the site. I'd like to thank the customer for allowing us to come to site and looking through their operation and assessing it for the potential implementation for command for hauling. Thank you.